this beat make me crazy. Fuck you, you lazy. Watch my white ass make you cry like a baby. Fuck living in poverty. I want your money, car, watch, and your property. Today's life in this badass economy, and I want my graph shit properly all over around the globe. Your neighborhood is whack, so I'm going back home and I'm taking it so. Realistically, the energy of the sound waves goes through the subways where the club provides the vibes. When you talk shit, look at me inside my eyes so I can analyze your weakness and have your ass speechless and have your ass in pieces.
Yo, let me take a breath, man. Yo, just lost my brother the other day. A couple others on the way. Tell them there's other ways to get paid, but they'd rather wait, yay, than pray. But hey, who am I to judge? Fakes hit me, who am I to plug? Who am I to run from reality? Wake 7 a.m. every day for a shitty salary. Mama be mad at me, cause I ain't changed yet. I said I stick shift toward a quick flip. My life's turning, I skipped the blinker. I'm just a thinker, I ain't a drinker. That shit a tad bitter. You catch a side by the little. I ain't little, I just seen the rainbows and Skittles, cause they murk them. What up, smirk? We've been blessed with the gift of gab since our first blink on the earth. Word. I've been so long, so long. I've been so long, so long.
Where's God in this equation? And I'm just stupid to know the answer. Looking at my homie like, yo, that's the answer. So will I get cancer by smoking with some dancers, prancing around like I'm a motherfucking panther, bro? I can't stand her, I hate her, I love her, and at the same time, man, I really wanna f her. Grew up in Zucker, all my life a sucker.
Ha 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 ha, yo, you A, we on the block, yo. You A, we on the block like Street Easy. ACG air zooms, I don't do Yeezys. Fuck that, I feel poetic. I'm uniquely energetic, you genetically generic, pathetic, ripping egotistic esoterics. I'm kinetic, flowing like the insulin inside a diabetic. They prescribing shit to make us die, we just let it. America, the land of curly fries and anesthetics. The vanity got us in prosthetics for bread 11s. While you niggas only eating veggies with the dressing. My palate is the essence that pilots the adolescence. The lesson is a blessing, the product is self-reflection. Caressing the anguish internal, I've been suppressing. I'm confessing, I ain't been the best that I could be to my discretion. Fuck a pension, I'ma spit to my ascension. In dimensions of perfection, in suspension with a turntable. I burn fables, I spark tracks with jumper cables. Back and forth from the moon with a picnic table. Now you perverse your self-worth to impress the label.
I've been so long, so long. I've been so long, for so long.